This video will cover the new What's New for the 2020 Office software. The What's New is updated for the 2019 release of the 2020 Office applications. The What's New now opens a web page on the 2020 website. This web page contains information about the software and about the monthly content updates. The What's New will appear when you launch the software. It is also available from the Help menu. Clicking anywhere in the image will open the page on 2020's website. This is the What's New specific page at 2020spaces.com. Starting at the top, you'll see content updates. There are two buttons in this section. One is for this month's content updates. One is to bring you over to a different web page where you can download content from 2020.net. Moving down, you'll see a software update section. This gives you information for the most current 2020 Office release. Within the software update section, there's a button for software user guides. Clicking on this button will open up a web page where you'll have access to download the user guides for each of the 2020 Office applications. Going down a little further, there is a 2020 Knowledge Center section. Clicking on Learn More will bring you over to the Knowledge Center page. A little bit further down, there's a section for 2020 Community. Clicking on this will bring you out to 2020 Community's webpage. 2020 Community is a forum for users to ask each other questions. You can also keep an eye on the 2020 Community page for communication from 2020 to our users. At the very bottom of this page is the 2020 Training section. Clicking on the button for upcoming classes will open up a web page where you can learn more about what is available to you when it comes to 2020 training. I'm going to go back to the top of the page. Clicking on See This Month's Updates will bring you over to the Monthly Updates page. On the right hand side at the top is a Monthly Update Summary. When you click on this link, it'll open up another page showing you all the manufacturers. If a manufacturer's name is highlighted, that means that they have updates for this particular month. Also on the right hand side, you'll see individual manufacturer updates. These updates are provided by the manufacturer. Clicking on any of these links will open up another tab in your browser and you'll see the information from the manufacturer. Along the left hand side, you'll see the software user guide links. Clicking on any of these links will open up another browser tab, and it'll show you the user guide for that particular application. I'm going to click on the link that leads to the 2020 CAP user guide. It opens up a PDF within the browser. You can click on any of the page numbers, and it'll shoot you directly down to that page. You can also download this PDF to your local computer for access offline. Clicking on Software User Guides button brings you over to the same screen we were looking at before with the Software User Guides. And that's the new What's New feature for 2019 release of 2020 Office applications. Thank you.